Moving on to section 3, number 41. Mrs. Palm baked some cupcakes. 3/7 of them were vanilla, and the rest were chocolate. She sold 1/4 of the vanilla and 5/8 of the chocolate. She had 150 cupcakes left. How many cupcakes did she bake altogether? So, taking it into parts now, we need to calculate the fraction that is chocolate. And to calculate the fraction that is chocolate, you know that when you calculate the total that is vanilla and chocolate, the total fraction is represented by 1. So therefore, to calculate what chocolate is, you take away from the whole, which is 1, you're taking away now the amount, the fraction that is vanilla, which is 3/7. Therefore, you'll end up with 4/7. So you know 4/7 is the amount, or the fraction for chocolate. They said she sold 1/4 of the vanilla and 5/8 of the chocolate. She had 100 left. Good. So we need to calculate fraction sold for vanilla. Which is equal to what they said is 1/4 of the vanilla. Of mean to multiply, vanilla was 3/7. So which is equal to 3/28. So therefore the fraction sold for vanilla will be 3/28. We need to calculate the fraction sold that were chocolate. They said the chocolate, the fraction that was sold is 5/8. 5/8 of the chocolate, so 5/8 of, and the chocolate amount is 4/7, we found out. So 5/8 of 4/7, which is equal to 5/14. So you know now the fraction of chocolate sold was 5/14. Fraction for vanilla sold was 3/28. We need to calculate the total fraction sold, and the total fraction sold will be the 3/28, which is the vanilla, plus the 5/14, which is the chocolate. And while the common LCM there will be the 28, so 3/28 plus 5/14, which is equal to 13/28. So you know the total fraction sold was 13/28. We need to calculate the fraction remained. So to calculate the remaining fraction from the whole, we know the whole represented as a fraction is 1. So from the whole, which is 1, you're taking away the 13/28, which is the fraction that is sold, and you will end up with 15/28. So 15/28 will be the fraction that is remaining. They said she has 150 cupcakes left. How many cupcakes is she bake? Good. So we know now, we can see the relationship that 15/28 is equal to the remaining cupcakes, which is 150. So the remaining fraction is 15/28. The remaining number of cupcakes is 150 cupcakes. So we can see that the relationship between 15/28 is equal to the 150 cupcakes. This is how they are equal. So now we know the fraction and the quantity that it is equal to, therefore we could calculate the total. The total is equal to 150/1 multiplied by the invert of the fraction, which is equal to 28/15, and I'll get 280 cupcakes. So the answer is 280 cupcakes. Good. So that's your marking scheme there. You'll get 1 mark for finding out the fraction for chocolate. Total fraction sold, total the fraction remained, and the total. Alright? And that's number 41. Moving on to number 42. Number 42 states, Mary bought mangoes at $4 each and sold them at $6 each. Customers who bought 2 mangoes from her were given 1 mango free. At the end of the sale, Mary earned a total of $504, and 30 mangoes were given free. How many customers bought only 1 mango? Good. So what we know now, we have irrelevant information on this question. For example, the $4 each. That is there just to throw us off. What we really need to look at is the cost for 1 mango. So $6 is equal to 1 mango. Mary earned a total of $504, which is equal to 504 divided by 6, which will give you 84 mangoes. So in total, Mary sold 84 mangoes. Alright? 84 mangoes were sold. Now, 1 free mango means that 2 mangoes purchased. So now, if you get 1 free mango, that means you purchased 2. In this question, they said that she got 30 free mangoes. So 30 free mangoes means that she sold 30 by 2, which is equal to 60 mangoes purchased. So that means if she gave 30 away, that means 30 people at least bought 2 mangoes. That asks you now, how many customers bought only 1 mango? So only 1 mango will equal to the total mangoes sold, which is 84, take away the total mangoes that you'll get from the amount that you give when you purchase 2 mangoes, which is 60, and therefore you will end up with 24. So the answer is equal to 24. 4 marks. 1 mark for calculating the total, 1 mark for calculating the total that you would have when you sell 2. Alright, so when you purchase 2, this is the total for when you purchase 2. Alright, and this here is the final answer. You get 2 marks for that, right? Some of you all may have a different answer. Some of you all may work with money and probably did alternative method where you found the cost for the 60 mangoes, take it away from the total cost, which is 540, and then now divide that by the cost of 1, which is $6, and you will get it 24. So let's see. Alright, so this is a easier method to do number 42. Number 42 is you find out how much was the total sold, that including the one that is sold, the set that people bought 2 of, or one-off. So in total they really sold 84 mangoes. You know now for every one mango that they give free is 2 purchased. So for 33 mangoes, that means 30 multiplied by 2, that means the people purchase 60 mangoes. So 2 sets, alright? So every time they buy 2, you get 1 free. So therefore 60 sold in groups of 2. Alright, so 60 sold. Total sold was 84. So to find out how many single mangoes that were sold, it will be from the total. They are taking away now the total that was sold in pairs, which is the 60. So 84 take away 60, which is 24. So 24 were single mangoes, or sold singly. Alright, number 43. Number 43 now states, the box below contains some cubes. Each side measures 2 centimeters. How many more cubes of the same size are needed to completely fill the box? So what we can do is calculate the volume of the box. And that will be going by width by height, which is equal to 12 cm by 10 cm by 6 cm. So the length by the width by the height is equal to 720 centimeters cubed. Volume is in cubic centimeters. Volume of 1 cube is equal to 2 cm by 2 cm by 2 cm, which is equal to 2 to 12, 4 to 8 cm cubed. So we want to see number of cubes in box. So you want to calculate the total number of cubes that could fit in the box. That will be equal to 720 cm cubed divided by the 8 cm cubed, which is equal to 90. So 90 cubes could fit into the box. That's how many more is needed. So more is equal to the 90, which is the total. Take away the amount that is shown here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is equal to 8. So 90 take out 8, which is equal to 82 more cubes needed. Alright, so 4 marks, you'll get 1, 1, 1, 1. Number 44. Number 44 states, using the grid below, join 4 dots to form a quadrilateral with 1 pair of parallel lines and only one angle that is smaller than right angle. Good. So using the dots, the grid below, join 4 dots from the lateral, 1 pair of parallel lines. Good. So we could use the 4 dots in the base there. 3, 1 dot there, so we could get that. They said only one angle that is smaller than a right angle, and the rest bigger, equal to. Good. And you get 3 marks here. That's part A. Part B now states use the grid, extend the quadrilateral formed from part A to make a symmetrical shape. Good. So from part A now, this is the shape we have for part A, but we could extend the shape because it has two dots here. We could extend it straight to this one here and pull it down, so, and then it will be symmetrical like this. So part B. Alright, A and B right here. Good. Number 45. Number 45 states, Alex was given a 12 centimeter plant. To record its growth over 4 days. The bar graph shows the increase in plant height. Alright, what is the height of plant on day 4? That is so on day 4 it increased by 8 centimeters, so therefore the plant was originally 12 centimeters. So day 4 is equal to 12 cm plus the increased amount, which is 8 cm, which is equal to 20 cm. Part B just says if the increase in the plant's height is the same daily, draw the bar to show the increase in height on day 6. So we can see that it is increasing by 2 centimeters each day. So for day 4 it will be 8, day 5 will be 10, and day 6 will be 12. So you need to draw the bar to show represents 12. Alright, and the marks are awarded 2 by 2. Alright, and that is the end of section 3.